Look, for my club about 40 years, your friend Bernard, and I'm Mr. TSC and I see. And then I will come first one. Well, in key Alipay to 1688. If you have created accounts, no tries over 20, some errors are and I say challenges are normally better face. In the come first one, in case I unlink it direct and automatically one can follow the process. First process I'll be after so creating account, our starting up on 1688, we try so then at the payment section, won't say a bunch of options.
Your friend is a Visa card payment.
Visa card.
And your Alipay. And your WeChat.
And through that, once normally, Alipay last.
Yes.
To be Alipay icon, what click so. But if you are amount to Alipay account now, or try so to say you can say and deduct automatically. I don't know, maybe a system around here, so go back to settings now here. This is the process already. Or first of all, wait me call home page, that's a profile page, on 1688. Now call settings. And to call settings now. Options now, Alipay option option 4. Into back click here, so once Alipay icon right into back click here, so now then I click first one. Normally, 1688, I'm out try so much translate it, and that's what convert on system number English. Yeah, and option 4 now won't say Alipay settings and Alipay payment method Visa. Now click so, but at this very page there is in Chinese, but first option about it we choosing. Until we choose it, I won't say automatically say oh, the Alipay and login into 1688. I won't say our number there. I will not say our boss now follow process now. We'll call Alipay now call authorize it finally. And then what try say we'll make it payment to BM. So this time around, say we and go through BM, then you have to contact your kind of say Alipay customer care. Yeah, because that's the only option now with me I follow to link or payment, you can say manually. And he said, if I'll go through this process and I say I'll go through it, then you have to contact Alipay customer care. How to contact Alipay customer care? And especially when I see now a chain process now, then we'll go through here.
It is Uko Alipay. Honoma, your baby, your friend is saying, Nipe bi honoma say microphone, etia, your friend is saying, nano, nti, oko sa option na, auto, your friend is saying, auto response or honum, so ubeka de how no actually no, nti obema auto response, nti do baby na ebia, only your friend is saying, AI needing common access still na, untimi find exact solution to your problem. Sometimes they connect you to a customer line. Yeah, the customer line, what they do is they say mostly ahomachen and I say an opportunity to move through so that they ask you questions pertaining to challenge now or for no matter me I resolve yama. Sometimes so if it's me I say na your Alipay has been restricted. So or the request say and I'll send a picture of a passport now. But your member nimbo who say or send or passport and more they can get access to your account or payment this or they be access and I say biasa. Until follow that procedure where they'll be able to resolve for your challenge for you with ease.
All right. And this is now because I can say requested for our passport. We normally only almost chat here, almost send a prompt or chat. Chat now and so we are send a prompt and I say input the last 4 digits number of our passport now or passport ID and so we input here and then why you set it then they will or no in that process no verify say one person now the user of that passport and their account now, so it's just like a verification method until we are then whatever help that they have for you or my then so I am so very simple so they check you mono.
But Avia now ultimately say some of us so you prefer say Avia instead of using the tabao for registering 1688 direct we will have to use the Alipay straight because Alipay already has tabao in it. Yes, so and also me manage challenge because sometimes you face such a challenge. You say why your account creating BBA you now person to add 1688 sometimes you are being informed say your account is restricted. Send your braben di kan first procedure no the man who follows that procedure now na still na we ntimi anya your friend is saying problem solve na obetimi asan de akọ your friend is saying Alipay customer service send ye tray no so
okay we say some create account na say tell me among follow Tabao because Alipay or the kind of saying
Tabao
yeah and see then there more obi like we all create account normally no ultimately you so Alipay the create account straight. And sometimes I don't know, so yeah, if your phone knows the same, it was so create account now. They still ask you to use Tabao because Alipay no ain't connected straight. I don't know why. Sometimes it is
sometimes no, a bit a phone version no.
Yeah, be a Android version. To say be a phone version of phone na say o face it. Maybe I try so o link it. Alipay to 1688 direct na I'm working there. And when you have to go for Tabao. Now create Tabao accounts. Not fair there. At 1688 section, or you do the Tabao option to create the account because some will to either Alipay or Tabao. Yeah.
But still now that doesn't prevent you say obetimi di Alipay aye payment.
Yes.
Until so follow that process. Now you use Tabao. Now you can still use Alipay for payment. Until I have for one say ye bra di kan kasa no or kase your friend is saying say you know 1688 no my improvement such a way say obete intro no ewo brofo mu but ebi wo ho no ma phones ni bi wo ho no ma enye nyina na intro no wo ebrofo ni nti say wo ye den otimi te Chinese na se mpacho me ma na enye wo den nti obetimi download Google Translator or Google Translate nti no when you go there no it can helps you in typing and as we take a screenshot or they call camera section no just below the what's the name the app na ebe convert bibia ma no we process na ye do wa from nyina.
I think say the kind of saying train now we translate to go in a app version. It be depend the kind of app na version that we use no. We use older version and we try say and as we are downloading so the best way to get the updated version is over 1688 1688.com. I say go now for the almost site you know so almost site you know that banner there or top one a link to the APK into boss wa grant you access to download the actual app now if you write and what use 1688 only Play Store.
So I think say
Play Store because look at 1688 free Play Store and yet the right app unless if you have store
I think pertaining to say na ye can say ABA phones need being supported. Me myself na menya challenge visa. It was Huawei phones need be almost supported and almost supported do some stage they don't allow you to download certain apps and because almost prefer say you use everything that is Huawei not maybe Android so so it's onya challenges.
All right, and so do we see I say check your first link with 1688 to Alipay account in case you face challenges here. You hope you say who face challenge visa now with me follow these steps and resolve it. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.